Hey everybody, how we doing? I wanted to jump on here and just give you guys some tips. A lot of you are trying to copy and paste this link, and I am not going to be able to grade that if you submit that. What you're going to need to do, just like Google Classroom, you're going to click this share button. Once you've hit share, you need to hit link sharing. Turn your link sharing on. You can grab the link right there so you don't have to worry about that later. Copy to the clipboard. We'll go back over to Canvas. Here is the individual assignment. You'll click submit this assignment. Down here, you'll see the website URL. You can just paste this in. You can right click and hit that, submit that, and you are done. Get going on that Flipgrid and you are all set. Hopefully this was helpful. If you have other questions, feel free to reach out to me in email. Hope all is well. Miss you guys.